Hey guys, Scott here with Everyday Home Repairs. Got a quick one here for you today, and that's how to swap out this shower head. Super easy. This can be really like a 2-minute fix at your home, or even if you're in an apartment and you just don't like, this is a real simple shower head. It doesn't have any of the different spray modes on it, so we're just swapping one out that has a couple more options. And really all you need is a few things. So one, some type of adjustable wrench or some type of channel locks so you can remove and then also add the new shower head. I have an old toothbrush that's going to be used for if any of the Teflon tape that's on the threads now, if it needs to be kind of cleaned off before you put the new shower head on. And then a little Teflon tape. You can get this for 25 or 50 cents, local supply shop. You actually don't need it with your new shower head because it most likely has a rubber washer, but a lot of people still put it on. So I'm going to put a few rounds in there as well. So let's jump in. All right. So now with your adjustable wrench, we'll go ahead and hold on to the actual shower arm here so you don't twist that into twist it away from the fitting in the wall. And you're just gonna, this one's already pretty loose, so it's really easy to take off. Once you do it, if you give it a few turns, you can just take it off with your hands. And then that's it. There was a little screen in there that popped out. So now you're gonna wanna take away that old Teflon tape. If I can find one of the ends here, I should be able to. There it goes. So you want to clean all that off just so you have nice threads to work with and you don't leave behind any of the old tape. Alright, got all that off. Alright, so now I'm going to just put a little bit, like I said, you don't really even need Teflon tape with these new shower heads because they have the rubber washer, but I'm going ahead and going to do just a couple rounds here with it. Might help if that rubber washer gets old over time and dried out and a little water gets by it. This might help to stop that. So really just 2 wraps on it there. And then go ahead and take my new one. Just got a new multi, like 5 different function shower head, 20 bucks, local supply shop. It's a Moen. The nice thing is this has a metal threaded end. A lot of these are coming in plastic now, so if you have one that's plastic, that's fine, but be careful when you're tightening it, because you can over tighten it and then you're just going to crack that threaded fitting. So again, especially if you got the metal ones here, they usually have a few parts that are flat, so they'll fit your adjustable wrench. You could, if you have to use channel locks, you could go ahead and get a paper towel and put that in there, so then you're not damaging that fitting. All right, really, I would not over tighten this. You just get a nice snug fitting there, and you're good to go. All right, guys, that's it. So again, my name is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. If you like this sort of video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep them coming your way. Take care and have a good one.